France, a nation synonymous with romance, history, and gastronomy. From the iconic Eiffel Tower standing tall in the heart of Paris, to the serene flow of the Seine River at sunset, every corner of this country tells a story of love and legacy. But beneath these cultural riches lies a kingdom of nature, wild and enchanting. Beyond the bustling cities and charming villages, France's untouched wilderness beckons with its raw, untamed beauty. From the emerald forests of the Vosges to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, France unveils a breathtaking tapestry of landscapes. Each region, with its unique charm, contributes to the country's diverse natural beauty. This is a journey to experience the raw beauty of France, a celebration of the creatures that call it home, and a reminder of our duty to protect this precious natural heritage. As we traverse these landscapes, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains life here. Our adventure takes us through ancient woodlands where sunlight filters through a canopy of leaves. These forests, some of which have stood for centuries, are a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. We'll climb towering peaks, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. The French Alps and the Pyrenees offer not just breathtaking views but also a sanctuary for rare and unique wildlife. We'll navigate winding rivers, their waters teeming with life. From the gentle flow of the Loire to the rapid currents of the Ardèche, these rivers are the lifeblood of the French countryside, and explore the diverse ecosystems of France's coastlines. The rocky cliffs of Brittany, the sandy beaches of the French Riviera, and the tidal marshes of the Atlantic coast each harbor a unique array of flora and fauna. Along the way, we'll encounter the remarkable wildlife that thrives in these diverse habitats, from elusive mammals to vibrant birdlife. Deer, wild boar, and a myriad of bird species paint a vivid picture of France's rich biodiversity, and the often overlooked world of insects. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance, from pollinating flowers to serving as a food source for other wildlife. France's beauty extends beyond its charming villages and historic landmarks. It's in the harmonious blend of human history and natural splendor, where ancient castles stand amidst rolling hills and quaint villages nestle in lush valleys. It's in the rustle of leaves in a primeval forest, where every sound tells a story of life and growth. The whispering winds through the trees remind us of the timelessness of nature, the cry of an eagle soaring above snow-capped peaks, a symbol of freedom and the wild spirit of these high-altitude realms, and the flash of blue as a kingfisher dives for its prey. This fleeting moment captures the essence of nature's precision and beauty. Join me now as we embark on a journey to discover the wild heart of France. Together, we'll explore the hidden gems and untamed corners of this magnificent country, celebrating its natural wonders and the life that flourishes within. France's forests are a symphony of greens, a living tapestry woven with countless shades and textures. Vast and ancient, they cover nearly a third of the country, each region boasting its own unique character and history. These forests have stood the test of time, witnessing centuries of change and growth. In the northeast, the Vosges Mountains are cloaked in dense forests of beech and fir, a refuge for wild boar and roe deer. The misty mountains create an ethereal atmosphere, making it a magical place for both wildlife and visitors. Further south, the Pyrenees foothills give way to forests of oak and chestnut, the air thick with the scent of pine from the sprawling Landes forest. These regions are not just visually stunning, but also rich in natural aromas that invigorate the senses. These woodlands are a haven for biodiversity, home to an array of flora and fauna. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Wildflowers carpet the forest floor in spring, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the muted tones of the woodland floor. These bursts of color signal the renewal of life, a reminder of nature's endless cycle of growth and rebirth. Look closely and you'll glimpse the forest's inhabitants. A red squirrel scampers up a tree trunk, its bushy tail twitching. A European pine marten, a shy and elusive creature, pauses on a branch, its dark eyes watching our every move. The air is alive with bird song. A flash of blue and yellow heralds the arrival of a Eurasian blue tit, while the melodic call of a blackbird echoes through the trees. High above, a majestic goshawk circles, its keen eyesight scanning the forest floor for prey. The forest is a sensory feast, a symphony of sights and sounds that speaks to the soul. Leaving the tranquility of the forests, we journey towards the towering peaks of the French Alps and the Pyrenees. Here, rugged beauty reigns supreme. Jagged peaks pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in meadows of wildflowers in the spring and snow in the winter. These mountains are home to creatures uniquely adapted to life at high altitude. The sure-footed chamois, a type of goat antelope, navigates the steep slopes with ease, while the iconic alpine marmot, a large ground squirrel, emerges from its burrow to bask in the sun. Guardians of the peaks. High above, the lammergeier, a majestic vulture with a wingspan of nearly 10 feet, soars effortlessly on the thermals. This scavenger plays a vital role in the ecosystem, cleaning up carcasses and preventing the spread of disease. The mountains are also home to the elusive lynx, a master of camouflage with its spotted coat and tufted ears. Once hunted to near extinction, the lynx is slowly making a comeback thanks to conservation efforts. The presence of these apex predators is a testament to the health and wildness of these mountain ecosystems. The life aquatic rivers of France. These waterways are the lifeblood of the French landscape, weaving through the countryside and shaping the land over millennia. Our journey through wild France now takes us to the country's intricate network of rivers. Each river tells a story, from ancient times to the present day, carving paths through mountains, valleys, and plains. From the mighty Loire, which flows over 600 miles from its source in the massive Central to the Atlantic Ocean, it is the longest river in France, known for its picturesque chateaux and vineyards along its banks, to the Rhône, which carves its way through southeastern France, originating from the Swiss Alps and emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. The Rhône is vital for both commerce and agriculture, supporting lush vineyards and fertile fields. These rivers are arteries of life. They nourish the land, support human settlements, and sustain vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. Their waters support a rich diversity of species, creating habitats for countless plants and animals. The riverbanks are alive with the sounds and sights of nature. From the elusive otter, which leaves telltale tracks along muddy banks, these playful creatures are often seen frolicking in the water, a sign of a healthy river ecosystem, to the Atlantic salmon, which migrate upstream to spawn. Their journey is a testament to the enduring cycle of life, as they return to their birthplace to ensure the next generation. Kingfishers with their iridescent blue plumage are a common sight, adding a splash of color to the riverbanks. They are expert hunters, their keen eyes spotting fish from above, perching on branches overhanging the water before diving to snatch small fish. Their presence is a sign of a thriving river where life flourishes in abundance. Where freshwater meets the sea. As rivers flow towards the sea, they create diverse wetland habitats. The Camargue, a vast delta where the Rhône meets the Mediterranean, is a haven for birdlife. Here, pink flamingos wade in the shallow lagoons, their vibrant plumage a striking contrast to the blue water. The wetlands are also crucial stopover points for migratory birds, providing them with food and shelter on their long journeys. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, France's rivers and wetlands teem with life, highlighting the interconnectedness of these freshwater ecosystems. A coastline of contrasts. France's coastline is as diverse as its inland landscapes. From the rugged cliffs and sandy beaches of Brittany and Normandy in the north, to the rocky coves and turquoise waters of the Mediterranean in the south, each region has its own unique character. The chilly waters of the Atlantic are home to gray seals, which can be seen basking on offshore rocks. Further south, dolphins and whales patrol the deeper waters, while seabirds like gannets and puffins nest on the cliffs. The Mediterranean coast with its warmer waters supports a different array of marine life. Sentinels of the shore. Colorful fish dart among the seagrass meadows, while octopuses and cuttlefish, masters of camouflage, blend seamlessly with their surroundings. The Mediterranean is also home to sea turtles, which come ashore to lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Their nests are carefully protected by conservationists, who work tirelessly to ensure the survival of these ancient creatures. The coasts of France are a testament to the adaptability of life, showcasing a remarkable array of species that thrive in these ever-changing environments. Protecting the legacy. As we've journeyed through the wild heart of France, we've witnessed the incredible diversity of its landscapes and the remarkable creatures that inhabit them. But these natural treasures face increasing pressure from human activities. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution all pose threats to the delicate balance of these ecosystems. The future of France's wild places depends on our actions. Thankfully, there are many dedicated individuals and organizations working tirelessly to protect these natural treasures. National parks and nature reserves provide safe havens for wildlife, while conservation programs focus on restoring damaged habitats and protecting endangered species. A call to stewardship. Our journey through wild France is a reminder that we are part of nature, not separate from it. By appreciating the beauty and importance of these natural environments, we can all play a role in their preservation. Whether it's supporting conservation organizations, reducing our environmental footprint, or simply taking the time to connect with nature, every action counts. Let us ensure that future generations can experience the wonder and awe of wild France, a land where nature's beauty continues to inspire.